Good evening, YouTube. Matt M. Roy back again. Back to you on this January 6, 2017. As you can see, it is 11:09 at night, and this is the start of our 2017 blizzard. Going to give you guys a quick update. You can see by this thermometer, it is 33 degrees outside with 85% humidity, so just about cold enough to snow. And let's go ahead and see what's actually happening outside. All right. I can tell you one thing, it is very, very cold out here right now. Well, it's definitely not snowing. I would say it's more of a sleet right now than anything else. You can actually hear it on the cars, hitting the cars, but if you look really close, especially on the truck lid hood, you can actually see there's a little frost building up. So it's definitely cold enough to snow, but I think we just got to get one more degree colder for the upper atmosphere to get cold enough to actually send down full snow. So I think what we'll do is we're going to go ahead. I'm going to head to bed because we got to get up early tomorrow. We're going to head out to Nick's for our normal breakfast. Actually, I'm going to zoom in on Dad's car real quick. You can really see it there, right on the hood. The ice is building up, so definitely think we're in for some good amounts of snow tonight. It's just got to get 1 degree cooler. I will check back with you guys in the morning, and hopefully we see a huge amount of snow. All right, tubers. Well, it is the next morning, all right, around 6 a.m., and I thought I'd give you guys an update here. We had a lot of sleet overnight, but it has pretty much turned to snow as of right now. You can see, if I look right against the light post there, you can see that it's actually coming down, like I'd say about 90% snow, maybe 10% sleet. And wow, check that out. I can actually see some icicles that have formed on the street light there, so that's pretty awesome. But other than that, I mean, we haven't had that much snow yet. If I had to guess, I would say we're sitting at maybe about 2 or 3 inches at most, but the majority of the snow is going to fall today. They're talking about it falling probably between now and sometime around 6 tonight, so probably for the next 12 hours or so, we're going to be looking at some pretty significant accumulations. And it is just gorgeous. I mean, I miss this so much. Being from New York, I really, really wish we saw more of this. And we are still under a blizzard watch. Actually, it's a blizzard warning right now. The reason being, I think you have to have 2 or 3 criteria. Now, you have to have sustained winds or wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. And you also have to have a certain amount of humidity. And I think we've met that criteria. So, I mean, it is officially a blizzard, and it is cold out here. But I'm going to go ahead and I know you guys can see a little bit better with this camcorder because of the night vision, but the sun should be coming up soon, so I'll probably be switching over to high-def camcorder. I haven't decided yet, but I will keep you guys updated, and if you're in the area where the snow's bad, stay safe, and I'll talk to you a little bit later. Ooh. Gonna be one nasty day. Alright, so as you can see, we got the shovels and a broom, pretty much everything we need to clean up after this storm. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and do a cold start on the truck. Woo! It is pretty nasty. We need to go ahead and see if this truck's gonna start. I'm pretty sure it will. And I think I have the right keys. Yep, there we go. I can see the lights coming on. Whew! Better grab a hat. Alright, let's see if she'll indeed start. Ugh, it is definitely icy out here. Alright, I'm going to switch over to my other hand so I can start this thing. Alright, let's go ahead and give this a try. I'm going to cycle the glow plugs twice. Once. It's not too terribly cold right now. It's sitting right about 25 degrees, so don't think we're going to have too much of a problem starting this beast. Cycle the glow plugs one more time. We did have an issue with the glow plugs the other day. I'm kind of wondering if they're actually working on this. That is weird. Try it one more time. Yeah, I don't think the glow plugs are actually working. We had an issue with this yesterday. I have to try and get that fixed. I don't know if we'll be able to get it started for you this time, guys. Try it one more time. Oh, she's starting. Alright, I'm going to give it a break for a minute and we'll see what happens. Alright, let's try this one more time. Oh, almost! Dad's outside rooting me on here. Another thing is, another problem we have here is it's got number 2 diesel. Yeah, I know. I think the battery's going to die before we get this thing started. Alright, well, we're going to let Dad try to see if he can get it started. He may have better luck than I do, right?
Yeah.
Talk to you in a minute. Alright, so we've switched. He's going to go ahead and give it a try. He's kind of getting frustrated because we were hoping to take this out. Oh man, this is gonna suck if we don't get this thing started. May not be able to go out to breakfast today, guys. Man, this is not looking good. Ah, we got it. Awesome. Woo! Right at the end, because I think that battery was about to die. Well, we're going to go ahead and let this thing warm up, and I'll talk to you a little bit later. All right, tubers. Well, this is your 1:30 update. I've actually been sleeping for a bit. I'm going to try to step out here without getting too wet because I'm just in my slippers. We are sitting right at about 9 or 10 inches right now. You can see down there where Dad actually was shoveling. You can see it piling up. I'm not actually going to go out and measure right now because it is really, really nasty. Man, look at that wind blowing. This is definitely blizzard-like conditions. Most people are heeding the warning and staying inside. But, I mean, look at this. We've had a lot of wind blowing the snow up here. We got snow on our chairs, on our little table there, even on Mom's poor flowers. I think a few of these were still alive, but not really anymore. That is such a shame. Well, that is what we got going on today, guys. I mean, it is really, really coming down. And I'm enjoying it myself because, like I said, we don't get to see this that often. Even got some icicles forming on the house right there. So this is something we do not get to experience every day. Woo! Look at those sheets of snow coming down. Well, I'm going to end the vlog here for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is kind of like a vlog and a weather update combination. Please remember to like and subscribe. Wow, look at the snow coming off my neighbor's house right there. Unreal. And as always, have a blessed day, everybody.